Congratulations on your new boat purchase. Your boat includes a state-of-the-art digital switching system. Think rotary phone versus smartphone. In this video, we'll explain basic operation of the Dometic DCM. Start by locating the battery switch. Turn the switch to the on position. With a Dometic DCM digital boat, you need only turn the switch off if you are placing the boat in long-term storage, or if your key fob is not available. With the battery switch on, your key fob allows a one-press boat on or boat off control. Wake up your boat for a day on the water, or shut down your boat with confidence. In the event that your key fob is not available or is inoperable, cycle the battery switch off, then on to power up the system. Your key fob controls many of your boat's features, acting as a wireless remote switch panel. The 8 buttons operate a variety of functions specific to each boat model. Your display provides monitoring, alerts, and touch control. Touch Home and then Switching to access the touchscreen switch panel. Frequently used switches or modes can be placed as a banner for one-touch accessibility regardless of the page you are on. DCM reads the fuel tank, water level, and display on the screen. The Alert Manager is an event log. Here you can locate any system errors. Garmin offers Active Captain, which allows you to control your boat with your smartphone. Search for the Garmin Active Captain in the App Store. Your Dometic DCM functions as the heart of your device control. In the unlikely event that your touchscreen is inoperable and your key fob is not available, you can control any load from the DCM. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the location on your vessel. To access the override feature, remove the cover. Then, using the DCM label, locate the device you wish to turn on. Move the corresponding fuse to the override position. To resume normal operation, simply return the fuse to its former position. The DCM has built-in self-diagnostics. Faults or errors will be indicated by a series of flashing LEDs. These error codes are explained in detail on the cover label. Any code and corresponding description will provide needed information to help in troubleshooting. For additional detail, please refer to instructions in your user guide. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your time on the water.